guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I actually filmed an intro for this video and I did not like the way that it turned out, so I'm refilming it. But this is the new office setup and I'm standing in the new office. You can kind of see a little sneak right there, but I'm so excited with how this space is turning out. I'm still working on it. It's still a work in progress, but I do show you guys like setting up the tables and everything like that. I did remove some of the tables because I just felt like I had too many things going on in my old office and I wanted to kind of simplify this one, so I feel really good about it. I really like this setup. So I'm going to show you guys how I set this up. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky, oh. There's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
I'm out of breath. Whew. I pushed these two here. I think I like them like this. Well, we'll see. The nice thing is we can rearrange as many times as we need to. So I think this is where I'm going to put my computer. And then obviously my machines. I have another one of these and I'm considering, I'm going to have James, he had to do something to get these two to like stack on and be stable, and this one's kind of wobbly, so I'm gonna have him look at that and fix that before I put any machines on here. But I have another one and I was thinking about putting all of my machines on here and then also my foil machine. Why is it not wanting to focus? So I was thinking about putting all my machines on here and then putting my foiling machine either on the bottom or on the top, I'm not really sure, and then putting my laminator here, and then I have some printers, and then maybe putting, I don't know, some extra stuff down there. I don't know how that's gonna work. And then my cart fits perfectly right there. I need to figure out where to put the trash can. It'll probably go right there and I can just like put trash in there. I might get another table. I don't really want the tables to be blocking the windows, but I don't know. We'll see if this is enough space. Obviously, I really like downgraded, or not downgraded, but like cut back. You guys know I have another curved table and I had a small table that was gonna go here, but it broke. I decided to get rid of it, and then I gave James this table, which this is the table that these two sat on before, but I gave it to him for his little workspace for right now. I don't know how long he'll be working from home, but I just, you know, thought it was cool to like have a space that we could share. Obviously he gets a much smaller portion of it, but he also doesn't, you know, need all this craziness. So I'm gonna try to keep everything like on this wall minus like this for storage space, but I really like the way that this looks. It just doesn't look like, before there was just too much space in my office, like too many tables. So, you know, like they collected stuff, it just wasn't organized. And the reason I did that is because I wanted it to like fit the whole room. But then what ended up happening is I just didn't really like that setup, and I felt like I just didn't need that much of like tables and whatnot. So I actually put the curved table in my YouTube room, and I put the table that we had in our bedroom that has like a different top. It has like a wood look to it. That's actually going to be what I film my Plan With Me videos on. But all that's going to happen in my YouTube room and not in here. So that kind of helps a little bit to make it not so cluttered and just more functional for me, which I'm really, really loving. So like I said, I don't want to put my machines on here until I have James look at like why it's so wobbly. But I do think I'm going to bring in my printers. My big printer isn't going to fit right there, so I think I'm going to put my big printer like under here, my little printers here, and then my laminating machine there, and then like I said, put everything else here. Yeah, it's still a work in progress, and of course I need James for some of it, like setting up the machines, but I am going to bring everything in here, so at least it's all in here and we can start putting stuff back in here in the cart, and I can feel like I have my life together a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna go do. So here's the YouTube room. I know, great, right? So those plastic containers are actually gonna go in the closet. And a lot of this stuff, like that whole box is from my office, like printers, you know. So a lot of this stuff will actually go out when I take it to my office space, and then I can set this room up. I'm not as concerned with this room because right now I'm just doing a bunch of vlogs, so I don't really need it for sit down videos. And I'm not doing any Plan With Me's right now because, you know, but this is the thing that I'm going to use for my Plan With Me's because I think this is just like a nice like backdrop, you know. So yeah, whew. That was a lot, but I'm gonna start pulling stuff out of here and start putting it in my office. Okay, so I got my computer set up there. I pulled out my Dymo, and I've got to actually plug in the computer. I put this on the shelf just because I needed to set it somewhere, but James is gonna help me figure out the shelving situation and then put the other one on top. I have all of my papers up here, and I really like that setup because they're gonna be easy to get to, and you know, I can see them. Then I have my, what is this, laminator. My Mink or my foil machine is gonna go up here once I get the other one set up. And then we have my laser printer. We have my printer that just prints like invoices and whatever. James is setting that up because we've got to print something off. Then I have these two boxes, have the rest of my machines. So we're getting there. It's coming together. And then I still have my vacuum that I need to unbox and show you guys. All right, guys, this is my new vacuum. This is the LG. I went with the LG and not the Dyson, but this was actually on sale. James got a really good deal on it, and it comes with 2 batteries, which was exciting. And honestly, I've heard the LGs are better than Dyson, so, and this was a lot cheaper, so went with that option. So we'll see how this goes. I was expecting it to, like, I don't know, not be in all these pieces where I had to put together, but oh well. We're gonna put it together so we can get rid of this box, and I can also vacuum this office because it's looking a little rough. I think I got the vacuum mostly set up. There's a couple things in there that I need to figure out, but I got like the stand up and I got it on the stand. So exciting. That was challenging. All right, we're good. We've got it. We're gonna run to the post office, grab some lunch, and then it's back to setting all of this up.